Hey guys, I'm Dasha. Today we'll learn how to add decimal fractions. We're only adding decimals here. Our channel has a math playlist for 6th grade. Check it out for videos on fractions, addition, subtraction, and more. We'll solve these problems in column format. Write whole numbers under whole numbers. For example, 15 here and 8 in the tenths column, right? Don't forget the sign, okay? In this case, it's all addition, so always use a plus. Then we start adding. We add like it's a regular column addition. 1. 3 plus 8, what do we get? 11. So we carry the 1 and put 1 here. 2 plus 5 is 7 plus 1, 8. The decimal point stays in place, and 1. We get 18 and 11 hundredths. Let's write down 18.11 hundredths here. Great job solving the first example. Next up, 0.81 plus 0.052. Let's add these up. 2 here, 1 plus 5 there. What's the total? 6. Simple arithmetic, right? 8 plus 0 is 8. The decimal point drops. 0.862. 0.862. Next example, 25.6 plus 0.673. All right. 3. 7 here, yes, it drops down. 6 plus 6, what's that? It's arithmetic. 12. 2. We write it down, keeping 1 in mind. 5 plus 0 is 5, plus 1 is 6. Don't forget the decimal point. So we get 26.273. While I erase, let me ask, why are we doing this column method? Because older students and adults don't add like this anymore. They don't stack columns, they stack mentally. When you develop math skills, it gets much easier later. Do these exercises in your head. 7.2 plus 0.045. Let's add it up. 540 here because we imagine it. 27, 7.245. Great job. We've already solved 4 problems. 16.9 plus 3.1. You know what's most important here? Always write them vertically, decimal over decimal. That's the only real mistake, the rest are just typos. Lining up decimals prevents most errors. Here we have 9. Here we have 1. 6 plus 3 equals what? 9. 19.9. 12.15 plus 12.71. What's our total here? All right, let's solve it. 5 plus 1 equals what? 6. 1 plus 7 equals what? 8. Don't forget the decimal. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 1 is 2. 24.86. 0.78 plus 0. Weird, huh? I wrote down the same thing. Is it the same or not? Answer in the comments. Is this the same as that? Yes. The answer is yes. It's the same. 0 just confused you. It's actually the same thing. 0 is unnecessary, but it shows it's the same. 8 plus 8 is 16. Carry the 1. 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15. So 5, carry the 1. 0 plus 0, 0, 1 in mind. It's 1.56 because I won't write the 0. Why should I write it? 1.56. No need to write it like that. 8.2 plus 3.4. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Then comma, 8 plus 3 is what? 11. So we write 11. Last two examples have 10 thousandths, bit trickier. 15 whole numbers. Let's divide it like this. 15.3521, right? 3,521 ten thousandths. Add 3, comma below, right? $1,104 ten thousandths. So let's add up. The arithmetic here is simple, but the last example's tougher. We'll need to add mentally. All right, let's start. 1 plus 4 is 5. It's just 2 plus 0, 2. 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. Don't forget the comma, of course. 5 plus 3 is 8. And here's 1, right? 1 plus 0 is still 1. 18.4625. We're at the finish line, last and hardest exercise. If you get this, you've mastered decimal addition. Congratulations. 1.1519, right? Plus, oh, why am I writing 6.784? Here we'll need to do mental math. What's 9 plus 4? 13. Write 3, carry 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. Plus 1 carried. What's the total? 10. We write 0. 1 carried over. 5 plus 7 equals 12. 12 plus 1 carried. Total 13. Write 3, carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1 plus 1 carried is 2. What's 8 plus 6? 14. Write 4. Don't forget the decimal point and carry 1. 14, so 1 carried. 5 plus 0 plus 1 carried is 6. Result 64.2303. Great job, everyone. You've solved all 10 decimal addition problems. You're amazing. Good luck in your lessons. Bye-bye.